Hello all, welcome to the day 60 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Read the following text carefully and answer the questions that follow. The discus throw is an event in which an athlete attempts to throw a discus. The athlete spins anticlockwise around 1.5 times through a circle, then releases the throw. When released, the discus travels along the tangent to the circular spin orbit. In the given figure, AB is one such tangent to a circle of radius 75 cm. Point O is the center of the circle and angle ABO is 30 degree. PQ is parallel to OA. Let's observe the parts of the diagram. The radius OA is 75 cm. OQ is also the radius of the circle, so it is also 75 cm. And angle ABO is 30 degree. The angle OAB, that is the angle which is at the point of contact of the radius and the tangent, is 90. PQ is parallel to OA, so angle QPB is also 90 degree, since it is the corresponding angle to OAB. Question 1. Find the length of AB. To get that, let us consider this triangle OAB. In triangle OAB, we have one side OA, which is 75, and the other angle is 30 degree. So using these two details, we can use the tangent ratio to get the side AB. Angle OAB is 90 degree. The reason being radius and tangent subtend 90 degree at the point of contact. Therefore, triangle OAB is a right angled triangle. Applying this tan ratio, tan 30 is equal to OA upon AB. That is opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. OA is 75 and AB is what we have to figure out. AB is 75 times root 3. Question 2. Find the length of OB. Let's consider the same triangle. In triangle OAB, sin 30 is equal to OA upon OB. Sin 30 is half. OA is 75 by OB. OB is now 150 centimeter. Question 3. Find the length of AP. P is a point on AB, but there is no clue if P is the midpoint of AB or not. But we have one detail that PQ is parallel to OA. Now we have OB and OQ. With that we can get if the Q is the midpoint. So QB is equal to that full length OB minus OQ. OB is 150 and OQ is a radius which is 75. Now QB is 75 centimeter. This is nothing but half times OB, which implies that Q is the midpoint of OB. Since Q is the midpoint of OB and PQ is parallel to OA, therefore P is also the midpoint of AB. This is by converse midpoint theorem. Therefore, AP is half times AB. AB we have got it from the first subdivision, which is 75 root 3. So AP is 75 root 3 upon 2 centimeter. The R part of the third question, find the length of PQ. PQ is the base of the small triangle BPQ and we have the measurement of its parallel line, which is 75 centimeter. This parallel line is the base of the bigger triangle OAB. So this question could be solved using BPT, or we can prove the similarity of the two triangles and then take the proportionality of the sides to solve it further. I take the triangles QBP and triangle OAB. Angle B is common in both and angle QPB is equal to angle OAB. Both are equal to 90 degree. since they are the corresponding angles. Therefore, by AA similarity, triangle QBP is similar to triangle OAB. Therefore, QB upon OB is equal to PQ upon OA. QB is 75 and OB is 150. PQ is what we have to figure out, and OA is again the radius, which is 75. So PQ is 75 into 75 upon 150. So PQ is 75 upon 2 centimeter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.